happens to a frog when his car breaks down? He gets towed away. Dr. Paul E. McGee says, your sense of humor is one of the most powerful tools that you have to make certain your daily mood and emotional state support good health. Waking up in the morning is really hard. It's even harder when you have a sore throat, like me, itchy eyes, and a runny nose. It's even worse when you go throughout the day, and it gets even more painful. Well, Cancer Treatment Centers of America says that laughter is a natural medicine. In fact, many doctors and surgeons have been using this theory since the 13th century. I feel I'm qualified to talk to you about this topic today because I've researched it greatly, and I'm very conscientious as to how much laughter I include in my everyday life, and I'm a little bit too good at it. The purpose of my speech is to inform my audience about how laughter therapy can actually scientifically promote overall health and wellness. I'll explain what laughter therapy is, how it's being used today, and how it can actually promote overall health and wellness in your life and in mine. Cancer Treatment Centers of America says that laughter therapy aims to use the psychological process of laughter to help relieve physical or emotional stress. One year I had to go to the hospital to get some blood drawn for some serious stomach issues I was having that year. Mind you, I am terrified of needles. And the nurse, after I told her that, redirected my attention of the needle plunging through my arm with laughter. This theory was actually partly credited to Norman Cousins. After he was sick for many, many years, he claims that he actually cured himself through laughter therapy by watching comedic movies. Many scientists have tested this theory out over the past couple of years, and they've gotten many positive feedback. Now that I've told you what laughter therapy is, I'm sure you're wondering, how is it used today? Well, laughter therapy is being used today to cure cancer. Yeah, that's right, cancer. Laughter makes the world a little bit brighter and seems to push all of our problems to the side. Well, many cancer patients go through a lot of difficult times, especially when it comes to chemo. My cousin was just recently diagnosed with breast cancer, and when she started doing chemo, the loss of her hair and just the stress took a toll on her, and I'm sure it was hard for her to keep a smile on her face. But laughter therapy can actually draw your attention away from all of that depression. Montefiore Einstein Cancer Center at Montefiore Hospital is actually practicing laughter therapy to this day, according to Fox News. Many of their patients have said how it actually makes them feel healthier. Now that I've told you how it is being used today, I'm going to tell you how it relates to our lives. Laughter can relax muscles, protect your heart, boost your immune system, and release endorphins. HelpGuide.org says that humor can actually help you stay emotionally stable through difficult situations, disappointments, and loss. And just so you know, to have a healthy night's sleep, you have to be completely stress-free. Laughter can help get your mind off of the busy things that life throws at us, like stress. And if you had the choice between laughing and being stressed out, which one would you choose? I would like to remind you that the purpose of my speech was to inform you about laughter therapy and how it can actually scientifically promote overall health and wellness. Today I explained what laughter therapy is, how it's being used today, and how it can relate to your life and mine. As I stated earlier, I feel qualified to talk to you about this today because I've researched it greatly, and I've become very conscientious as to how much laughter I include in my everyday life. Yes, a bad day is a bad day, just like a bad hair day is a bad hair day. Sometimes you just have to throw it up in a bun and go. But laughter therapy can actually make your day 10 times better. In fact, laughing for a couple of minutes can make your day better for the next couple of hours. Just remember, while you're walking into work all groggy with sleepy still stuck in your eyes, grab a coffee, crack a joke, and remember that laughter can make your day 5 times better.